Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make candied strawberry. On the plate I already dried and cleaned the strawberry and also put it into the skewers. And the other ingredients we need are sugar, corn syrup, and water. To make the candy syrup, we will add 2 cups of sugar, half cup of water, 1/4 cup of corn syrup, and then we will stir it together really well. After the sugar, corn syrup, and water is stirred really well, we will turn on the heat to medium and cook it for about 12 to 13 minutes, or until the syrup becomes lightly golden brown. And we could test it out if the syrup is ready by inserting a stick into the syrup and put it in cold water and see if it's nice and hard. Once the syrup is ready, we could turn off the heat, and now we could pour our syrup onto our skewered strawberry. After we coat our strawberry with the syrup, we could put it into a parchment paper or wax paper, so it could be easily removed. Our candied strawberries are done, guys. These treats are crunchy, sweet, and delicious, and it's great to share with friends and family. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.